into the world of AI, specifically efficient diffusion models.
Really fascinating stuff. It's changing how we think about AI's creative potential, you know?
Absolutely. We're talking generating realistic images, videos, 3D models, all from like simple text prompts. We've got our hands on some really cutting edge research and we're going to break it all down.
It's about more than just cool visuals, though. This has the potential to revolutionize fields from medicine to product design. It's big.
Okay, so let's unpack this. First things first. What exactly are these diffusion models?
Imagine, imagine you have this stunning photo, right? And you start adding like digital static to it. Slowly, the image gets lost in the noise until it's completely gone. That's the first step.
Okay, Wendy.
The magic happens when you train an AI to reverse that process. Starting with pure noise and guided by your prompts, it slowly removes that noise step by step to generate something totally new.
So instead of paint or clay, this AI is manipulating digital noise to create. And it's not just 2D images we're talking about. This research mentions applying this to videos, 3D models, even designing new proteins.
It's really mind blowing, isn't it? And the results are incredible. We're talking some of the most realistic AI generated content we've ever seen. But the real game changer here is the efficient part.
Right, because traditionally these models need a ridiculous amount of data and computing power, right?
Exactly. They were incredibly resource intensive. But now imagine shrinking a supercomputer down to the size of your phone.
Making that power available to, well, everyone, that's a game changer.
Absolutely. In fact, there's this algorithm mentioned in the research, Snap Fusion. It can generate images on a smartphone in under 2 seconds.
Whoa, that's insane. That speed and accessibility is huge.
Mm.
But how are researchers achieving this? The research keeps mentioning the architecture of these models. What does that even mean?
It's like looking under the hood, understanding how it all works. We've got things like VAEs, variational autoencoders. Think of them as really smart compression algorithms.
Okay, so like zipping a file on your computer.
Exactly. They shrink down the images without losing essential information. And then there are the powerhouses, neural networks like UNet and transformers,
I've heard of transformers. They're like the hot topic in AI right now.
for good reason.
Mm.
They're revolutionizing how we approach AI. UNet has this U-shaped structure that processes information at different levels of detail, refining the creation with each step.
And transformers are like the masters of relationships, right?
Mhm.
They don't just spit out random pixels. They understand how things connect.
Exactly. They're learning how things relate to each other, like words in a sentence, but for images and video. And some research suggests they're the key to even more realistic and complex AI creations.
So we're talking photorealistic videos from just a few lines of text, or virtual worlds that react to your every move. We're entering the future, folks.